Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Debian 11 BullsEye on VMware Workstation 17. So make sure that you have installed the updated version of VMware Workstation. So this is my updated version of VMware Workstation 17. 17.5 is the latest version. So now I am going to create one new virtual machine. So provide the installer disk image file. So you can see that Debian 11 is detected. So it will not be a problem. So installation will not be a problem. Okay, so now I am providing the name to virtual machine and provide the destination path where virtual machine is getting stored. Next, provide virtual hard disk. So 40 GB I am allocating. Store it as a single file. Next, customize the hardware. So I am going to expand the RAM to 8 GB RAM. CPU cores, 4 CPU cores. So rest of the settings will be remain as it is. Okay, so I am choosing graphical install in boot menu. Okay, installer is started. So English will be my default language. Select your location, everything. So I have minimized the installation screens for time being. Okay, so installation is completed. I am rebooting the Debian 11 operating system. So VMWare Tools will be installed automatically if you have internet connection. So no need to install VMWare Tools manually. So everything done automatically. After installing, I have restarted the Debian 11 operating system. So I have logged in as a ordinary user. You can see that screen size is adjusted automatically. Okay, now I am going to virtual machine settings. I am seeing guest isolation, drag and drop and copy paste. That is shared clipboard is enabled by default. Okay, let me open the terminal. And run some commands. After running some commands, I am going to copy paste the terminal output to Windows host machine. Yes, I can able to copy paste. Let me try from host machine to virtual machine. So I can able to copy paste bidirectionally. Now I am going to check the drag and drop feature. I am going to check the drag and drop feature. Let me go to some other directory. Okay, now let me drag and drop this file. Yes, it's working. I can able to drag and drop the file. So file transfer is successful. So finally what I am going to do, I am going to enable the shared folder. So I am shutting down this virtual machine. So always enabled. So add I'm going to mount one Windows host machine directory to Debian 11 virtual machine. Okay, so this is the name of the share. Enable the share. That's it. Okay. So type the command vmware-hgfs-sclient. You can see that share is enabled, but we need to access the content of the shared folder. So for that I am logging as a root user, and I am going to edit the /etc/fstab file. Okay. So add one line. So add this line to fstab file, vmhgfs-fuse space /mnt/hgfs space fuse space defaults comma allow underscore other space 0 space 0. That's it. Save the file. So I have provided this line in the description of this video. So now next step, I am going to create one directory under /mnt. So name of the directory will be hgfs. Next I am running the command mount-a. So this will mount all the directories. Now I am going to open another terminal. Okay. So login as an ordinary user. Try to access the shared folder. Yes, I can able to access the content of shared folder. So Debian 11 BullsEye installation on VMWare Workstation 17.5 with VMWare Tools is successful.